Welcome to another video. So this time I'm going to actually be filming a chit chat get ready with me. So instead of a voiceover like all of my other videos, I'm actually going to be talking through this video with you live. Well, not live, but you know what I mean. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how I created this look. So I'm going to start off by pinning back my bangs just because they get in my way because they're so short. Oh, that's cute. Put on foundation and blend out my contour and stuff, so I'm deciding to pin them back this time. And I'm just going to put my hair behind my ears just so that it's out of my way too. So I'm going to start with my eyes first today just because I am doing like some glitter and sparkle, so I don't want my under eyes to get all dirty and messed up. So I can wipe away any fallout and go from there. I'm going to start by priming my eyelids, and I'm using the NYX HD, this thing. It's not going to want to focus for me, but whatever. Yeah, it's just an eyeshadow base from NYX. Nothing special. Very much comes out on this. There we go. Perfect. I'm going to blend it out with my finger. It's really oily. I don't like that. Okay, I'm gonna have to set this because like it's really oily. I feel like it didn't even do anything, so actually I'm just gonna go back in with some concealer because I feel like that works better. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Age Rewind eraser, and that already looks way better. Pat that into my finger as well. And I don't want to have to set it because that way more pigment will come up. But yeah, there we go. It's way better. So now I'm going to go in with my Morphe palette. Morphe 350. So I'm going to be taking this color right here. I'm going to take this color. I'm going to be using a blending brush from Morphe. It's the B79. I'm going to take that color and I'm just going to pop this into my crease. I'm just going to bring it up a little bit higher to my brow. I'm going to go with this one here, and I'm going to mix it with this one. So these two. Then I'm going to take that just below that color I added, so more like concentrated in my crease. And I'm going to try not to blend it up too high. So I'm going to take the brush I started off again, which is the B79 brush, and I'm just going to blend those colors together and kind of sweep that first color I used up a little tiny bit more. I'm going to take this color right here just to deepen it up a little bit more in my crease. And I'm doing that on my Deluxe Precision Brush 835. And I don't know what brand this is actually. I got this from school, so I have no clue what brand this is. But yeah, it's just like a little pencil brush. Just give me a little bit more precision. Now I'm just focusing that like right in my crease. And a little bit on my outer corner. Take my Morphe B79 brush again and just blend that into the nether colors. I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate palette, and I'm going to be mixing these two colors right here. So this one's like a teal greeny blue color, and then this one is just like this super pretty, like almost lavender blue color. And yeah, I'm just going to mix the both of them. And I'm going to be using the most shimmer shade. So I'll just swatch these for you right now. So like, they're crazy pigmented. I'll just show you. They're so beautiful. Okay. So I'm just going to take a flat brush like this. So this is my Morphe MB19. And I'm just going to pick up a little bit of each of the color. Take it onto the inner corner of my lid. I'm going to pick up a little bit more product, and this time I'm just going to do dabbing motions and just pat that on there. So I'm actually going to just go in alone just with this color right here. And I'm just going to take that on this outer part. So I'm going to go in with the green shade alone again. Actually, I'm going to use a little bit of this too. And I'm just going to try and pack on as much as if I can. This is a little better. So I actually picked up two NYX pigments. And this one is called Twinkle Twinkle. Okay, so I'm going to take some of this. I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. So I'm going to go back in with the same Morphe brush I was using. It's MB19. And I'm just going to pick up that pigment. So much more. Oh, so much sparkles. So much more pigmented though. So yeah, I'm just going to pop that on. To take this brush again, the Deluxe Precision brush I was using, and I'm going to go back into my Morphe palette. I lied, I am using it again. And I am going to take, this color right here, and I'm just going to deepen up my crease color just because it kind of went away when I added that glitter. And I'm actually going to take that color again, and I'm going to go on my outer corner more.
So I'm going back in with my Morphe B79, and I'm just going to blend that out.
So I'm going to go back into the Morphe palette, and I'm going to take this dark color right here. And I'm just going to focus that on the outer corner of my crease and my lid.
Go in and grab some more.
I'm going to take my NYX Epic Ink Liner. And I have never used this before, but apparently it is supposed to be a dupe for the Kat Von D Rocket Liner. So I'm excited to try it. Ooh, that brush is super fine. I like it. Okay. So I'm just going to be doing a wing. So before I do lashes or mascara, I'm going to go ahead and finish the other eye off camera. Okay, so I went ahead and did my other eye, and it looks kind of funny right now because I do not have any eyelashes, so it looks ridiculous. But I'm going to go ahead and pop on some mascara and false lashes. So I'm going to take the Art Deco mascara, and I'm going to put it on my top and bottom lashes. So now that I got mascara on, I'm going to go ahead and pop on some false lashes. So I just got some Kiss 11 lashes. There, now my lashes are on and I actually look like a normal human being. Back in with my precision brush, and I'm going to take that shade that I used in the beginning, this one here, and I'm just gonna smoke that under my eye.
Back in the NYX palette, and I'm actually going to take the non-shimmer shades, so these matte ones right here.
And I'm going to mix both of them again to pop the excess, and I'm just going to focus this on the outer corner of my bottom lash line. Okay, so the matte shades aren't nearly as pigmented, so I had to go in again and just smoke that on at all the matte shades. There we go. I'm going to go back in with my Morphe B79 brush, and I'm just going to smoke that out a tiny bit, just because I don't want it to look too harsh. Hi guys, so my camera actually just died on me, so I went ahead and I finished the rest of my face. So I just went in and I put on some foundation, some concealer, contour and highlight, and then to finish off my eyes, I wanted to take the NYX pigment in Diamond and just pop that on my inner corner. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Like, I don't know. I peeled off the seal. Oh, there we go. I don't know what's wrong with it, but okay.
This pigment's actually really pretty. I'm going to put some on my brow bone as well, because why not? I already put some of my highlight on my brow bone, but this one sparked me, so I'm putting some on, and why not put some on my nose. Okay, so I don't have too much highlight. So, now that I am done, go ahead and take my pigments out.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry that my camera died, so you did not get to see me put on my foundation and everything, but I do have previous videos of me doing that. It's the same as I always do it. I did use a different foundation this time just because I did go to Sephora and buy a bunch of stuff. So, yeah, if you watch, actually you'll probably come up before this video. I'm going to be uploading a haul of everything I bought yesterday. So, go check that video out. I'll link it down below. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and also go check out the video that I just recently posted. Subscribe, and also like and comment if you want to see more videos like this. So this is my very first Chit Chat Get Ready With Me. All my other ones are voiceovers, but this is the very first time that I've actually talked with you guys while I film. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.